Postman is one of the best applications that you can use to test your endpoints. And to work on the Postman, you had to install it on your system by downloading it and installing it. Now you can download this Postman as an extension in your Visual Studio Code. Let's understand how this will work. Here I am using this VS Code, and over here if I will navigate to this extensions tab, then search for the Postman, then you can notice that we are having the option for the Postman, and this is official. This is from postman.com. If I click on the install button, then this will install this Postman in my VS Code as an extension, and I don't have to open or switch in between this app and the Visual Studio. I can directly use this Postman from my Visual Studio Code. And here you can notice that the Postman has been installed successfully as an extension in this VS Code. Now immediately you will see that we are having one more tab over here. This is called as Postman. If I click on this one, then you can notice I'm having the option to sign in or create an account. Let's see what options do we have here. Here you can notice we are having this extension log, and this is the version detail. Alright, now let's sign in to this VS Code extension, and for that I'm going to click over here, open it, and by using your existing account you can sign in to this extension. The sign in is successful, and here you can notice we are having all those options. So this is the collections, this is the environment, and this is the history. So over here you can see that I can create a new HTTP request, and if I will click on this one, then you will see on the right hand side we are having a proper page, and this is how the Postman UI looks like. Even if I open the installed application, so this is the actual application that I have installed as a separate application in my system. And again if I will click on this new, and here as well you can notice that we are having all these similar options. So whatever we have over here is also available in this VS Code extension, and now by using this UI you can test all your endpoints directly from VS Code. That is all about this update. If you have any questions about using of the Postman, then feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.